Hey everybody, this is James Zapp from the Dapper Den Barbershop in Ridgefield, Connecticut, and today we have Dave.
What's going on, guys?
All right, so Dave, what are we doing today, man?
We're gonna clean up the whole beard,
Okay.
right? Lower it down a little bit, clean up the neckline, right up in here, mustache, clean up the head, and blend it up into the top.
You still want some girth on there? You want it like 5 o'clock shadow? Like how tight do you want
Let's
the
keep
beard?
a little bit on there.
Keep a little bit on there?
I like having a beard, but
Okay, you don't want that. It has been a while since we have seen you through here. Yeah, that beard is looking gnarly. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this all down with a tea trimmer, just so I can get it to my profile to hit everything. So you've just been doing the head yourself at home?
yeah, I've got that Omni blade.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. You liking that?
Yeah, I mean, I gotta stay on it because otherwise
It won't cut if it's too long.
well, it'll cut. It's just,
Jams up or what?
it'll clog up and I gotta go over it like 5 times. But if I do it like every 2-3 days, it actually is it's pretty good.
Oh, it's gotta be a good feeling on top of the head, huh?
Oh, feels really good. Feels good to not have to do it myself.
Just getting pampered over.
Yeah.
So now with Dave, he wants to take his beard shorter, but not like 5 o'clock shadow. So that would be around like a 0 or a half or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a 2 guard and I'm gonna go with the grain and just chop all this down and get a good shape for it. It's so satisfying.
Cleaning it all up.
You ever power washed a deck before?
Yes.
It's kind of like that. Your beard's like power washing your deck.
I have a foam cannon attachment for my power washer
Oh, do you really?
for my car. So every time I do it, I'm using the power washer on the car.
I'm laying flush with all of this. I'm not going below the chin or below the jawline or the chin. And I'm gonna start to freehand it after I get a good, decent shape to it. I just wanted to get all this bulk off first. You're like the Paul Schaefer of videos, you know what I mean?
Kevin Eubanks.
Who the hell is that?
He was the guy who led Jay Leno's band for all those years.
Oh, the guitar player?
Yep.
Yeah.
The Questlove to Jimmy Fallon.
Yes, exactly. So you're getting what I'm saying.
The Ed McMahon to your Johnny Carson.
Yes, you're Puerto Rican.
Ed McMahon's Puerto Rican?
No, TJ is though. All right, so now I'm going to start doing. I'm going to blend this into the skin on the head. So I'm using a Gamma Plus Alpha, which is a newer clipper they came out with, which I like a lot. So I'm stretching the skin. I'm going right below the ear right there, and just start my half. Just going up, and I'm slowly starting to close it and blending up just till I get to a 0. Just go down with the half, just a very, very little bit. Same thing on the other side. Feeling better already, man?
I am.
You're getting treatment today.
Yeah.
So I'm just taking my comb and I'm just doing my blend right now from this. I like this method a lot. Just gonna hold it there and I'm just gonna pull away just a little bit. That creates a pretty nice transition from that half down to there. I'll go back and just get a couple more.
I hate that every time I go to find Beavis and Butthead episodes on YouTube, they're always taken down because of the music claims.
What music claims?
Well, the whole point I want to watch the episodes, but watching the videos is almost better sometimes,
Yeah.
right? With them just crapping on everything, but everybody does DMC takedowns. That's why they never released it on DVD, really, because all the rights to the videos and the music.
They did bring Beavis and Butthead back?
Yeah, they had them watching like Jersey Shore and stuff.
Oh, that's hysterical.
It was.
Is it funny?
Of course it's funny, because you'd never expect Andrew Dice Clay to sound like that. And it's a terrible impression. It's a good, terrible impression. Right? It's just good enough to be like Dice, but still bad enough to know it's an impression.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
How's your neck do with the blade, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm just going back in, I'm just freehanding the whole thing, just getting all those straggle hairs out of the way. Put down just a bit.
There's an actual person under there.
There is. It's like a snarl I gave you.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Get all this hair off.
That's better. There we go.
You don't know.
Oh,
Yeah, that one's
oh.
pure.
That's
pure
all right.
urine.
It's hypoallergenic. Look much better.
You look a ton better.
You even look like a person. Wow.
Throw some utility balm in there for you. It's got a little Tree Ranger utility balm. A little dab will do you. Just to give it that hold down and also. What do you think, man?
Beautiful.
How do you feel?
Feel great.
Awesome. Dave, thanks for coming in, man.
Time, man.
Appreciate it, brother. Hope to see you again sooner than later.
Absolutely.
Thank you again for the Dapper Den Barbershop.